Masialodia, Omega Yaraba, Omega Yaraba, Ozala record yoma, Onyoma Jambadago. Amama Macha, Okoya Jamadi Kenenoa, Don't go to man or you know, don't go to man or Yoma. Don't go to man or one them, Obogosine, Ruchel, Yozo. Manabona kiti ichile zimezo onyo masoru kuwedia onye boche onyo medejemba alukumbene mobalu mulukumbene lukumbene alukumbene mobalu mulukumbene obula di mojodogo onyo masedini bitebia Kajela bibeli, bega yo shokafo, okonda yimile, arusu dembawo, ogogosime.
Hi everyone, wherever you're watching from, I am Oko Emmanuel Nyeko Kulora. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are going to get this video from. It is 9 o'clock in the morning here in Nigeria, in Biafra, in West Africa, in the entirety of continent of Africa. I'm going to be here for 10 minutes, and I want to sound a warning, and I also want to put your attention again to the direction, to the reason why actualizing Biafra is difficult. You know, this is not time to hide Igbo people. A lot of Igbo people are wicked. A lot of Igbo people are demonic. A lot of Igbo people are devilish. And the earlier you understand that some of our people, many of our people, are evil, the best for you. People are calling me from America, from UK, from Germany. Muku Jonye Chukutelumano, that I should start criticizing Chineke. A man who did nothing to me. A man who is thriving. A man who is facing wars, battle from every corner of this life. For me to have electricity. For me to have life. For me to live with purpose. For me to have basic amenities. They are telling me, Okula Randibo, this guy is jobless. This guy is a scammer. This guy is a fool. You need to criticize him. I say you have Twitter account, you have Instagram account, you have Facebook account. You couldn't, because you have no point. You are baseless, you are irresponsible, you are evil. You want to Okula Randibo. Kambanya live broadcast, Kojo Mwa Chineke. I don't know where we go from here. Ozemina wansube kule egwu oge Oliver Dike Okenwo. Ozemina wansube sinandi Igbo ade echekwa ifefa nwe echekwa. Ayaka nsube. May he so rest in peace. Oge Oliver aka na etenwo. Oliver Dike Okwe. Ozemina wansube si na problem Igbo nwe. Bu na Igbo ade echekwa ife ha nwe echekwa. And obu na ichekwa ife nwere echekwa. Ife ahụ ko you are going to suffer. Oliver Kumaka Ada Maria Jos o kana akuru ndi befe egwu Ebenizo Obe kana akuru ndi befe egwu Okwo maka nwata Shata Maria Jos whoever he is o kana akuru ndi befe egwu mana ndi Igbo echekwa Oliver Dike Okwe echekwa and they are suffering today. Ndi Igbo chekwa no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu echekwa. Igbo people chekwa no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu echekwa. Aburamonye IPOB abume Biafran. I'm not a registered IPOB member. I still need to tell you the truth. Whether you're a governor, a senator, you are sending your agents, and you need to know, this is why some people who are pro-Biafra, tomorrow, you see them talking nonsense. They have been offered a lot of money, either money or threats. Some of them we are threatening it. Some of them we are giving money. I have been offered millions of naira. I am Okula Randibo. If I'm lying to you, may I not see tomorrow? I have been offered millions of naira to talk against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I said no. Why would I do that? I said to them, mentioning me Okula Randibo in the same book with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is glorious. It's an achievement for me. Not to talk of mentioning me and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in the same page, in the same paragraph, in the same line, in the same sentence. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, is a human being. Also, Chukwubu onye na-adịghị agbanwe. Also, Chukwubu onye adịghị emeghe. Also, Chukwubu unmistakable, unshakable. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a human being. Obo onye Abia State. Nwa Igwe Israel Kanu. Oh, Madam Molia. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is bound to make mistakes. Let me tell you some leaders in the world. Jackie Chirac. You talk about Hugo Chavez and Raul Castro, Fidel Castro. You talk about Nicolas Sarkozy, Angela Merkel. You talk about Gordon Brown, David Cameron, all of them. These are world leaders with billions of dollars. Accessible to them for intelligence, for advisors, technological advisors, human advisors. That's why the resources made available to them. These people make poor policies. They make mistakes on a daily basis. Some of you criticizing the approaches, the works, the sacrifices, the efforts of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have never, ever contributed 1 naira pin to his efforts. And yesterday, Igbo Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi Willie Obiano, the drunkard, the dirty governor in Abia State, and of course, Dave Umahi, and a man as foolish as Hope Uzadimma, they went to establish a nonsense they call a bubag yesterday. Now, they are seeing reasons. They are seeing reasons to fix a security outfit. Yoruba did that Metekun, they were there talking. Awusa did, everybody. Even Nyesom Wike, the governor of River State, established a security outfit. Now they are beginning to come in time with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And whoever you are, wherever you are, any day you come to my inbox and tell me to talk against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I am going to post your number on social media. You are evil. I'm not going to say this thing again. Any day you come to my WhatsApp or my inbox and tell me, I'm a human being. I reason. I have my senses. All my sense organs are working. You shouldn't be the one to tell me what to do. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not doing it right, it's okay. You can create a Facebook account, a Twitter account, an Instagram account. Do whatever you wish to do there. Buhari is the president of Nigeria. A man leading Nigeria without accountability. A man who can go to the coffers of Nigeria and take $10 billion. A man with more than 1,000 advisors. Tell me one good policy or one good thing Buhari have done since 2015 in office. At some point, they said that Bukola Saraki sacked 100 aides. Bukola Saraki, former Senate President of Nigeria, how many aides, advisors do you have that you sacked 100? Despite hundreds of advisors, aides and other, Bukola Saraki is a very useless man. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with little or nothing at his disposal. He was able to awaken in the consciousness of people. He was able to change the way people reason. He was able to change narrative of black people's poor thinking. Today, you see black men from Africa talking in authority, researching, making sense, due to effort of one man. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the greatest Igbo son. For me, son, Igbo son, dead or alive. At some point in 2013, 2014, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will broadcast in Sweden in the morning for 4 hours. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to broadcast in Denmark at night. The following morning, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to broadcast in Netherlands. The next morning, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be in the UK. The following day, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to be in France. The next morning, you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, maybe in Norway. A man who spends 8 hours every day. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a boy, he's a man. He is aging. This man has made a lot of sacrifice. Tell me any OAP, any presenter, any journalist in the world talking uninterrupted for 8 hours in a day. Not Christina Mampo, not Rosemary Church, not Becky Anderson, not Aisha Sese, not Pedro Pinto. None of them, not Shehun of Channels TV. None of them can broadcast, non-interrupted, 4 hours, 4 hours. Mazi Nnamdi, the leader of IPOB, made this whole effort. And all our people could give in return is betrayal. Telling me Okulo Randibo to talk against the anointed, a man charged to set me free. A man charged to pull me away from the sad news called Nigeria. Any human again, born of a woman who comes to my inbox to tell me, to order me to talk against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I am going to unapologetically. I am not going to say sorry. I am going to put you in public. You are evil. You are an intruder. You shouldn't be alive. You should be put to shame. You are a problem. Igbo people need to wake up. Igbo people need to be reasonable. Ndi Igbo chekwa na ifu nu nwere chekwa. Sheikh Gumi is a terrorist. Abi Sheikh whoever he is. He is a northern terrorist. A Boko Haram envoy. He's free today. Why? Hausa people are supporting a terrorist, Sheikh Gumi. A man who takes money from government to terrorists. What about Sunday Igbo? All of them. They are in Western Nigeria waxing. At some point, Buhari's government, the murderous, irresponsible, foolish, poor thinking Buhari's government, they declared the government tompolo. They declared tompolo wanted. Last week, tompolo celebrated his birthday in Delta State. There is a walk for tompolo, I think today or yesterday. There will be a walk in Delta State in respect of tompolo. Why was tompolo not arrested? Because people of South, the people of Niger Delta are in full support of tompolo. Our own strong man, our own redeemer, our own warrior, our own superman, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is being haunted and unprotected by his people. I am Okulora, thank you very much. I'm not broadcasting, I'm sounding a warning to people who are irresponsible. People who are stupid enough to come to my inbox and tell me at the age of 30 what to do with my life. I am looking for a life. I want to succeed. I want to be successful. I want to impact our people in any way, shape, or form. I'm looking for ways to succeed. And criticizing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not a step in the right direction. In fact, there is nothing to say wrong about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Obu no nwonya di emeghe. Obu no nwonya di makachuku. Then you call me back and tell me, if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a human being the way we are, then there should be lapses. There should. I've made mention of Jackie Chirac, Nicolas Sarkozy, Angela Merkel, David Cameron, Gordon Brown, Boris Johnson, all of them. These are people with millions of dollars, billions of dollars, accessible to them to gather intelligence and all that. They still make mistakes. Talk about Dilma Rousseff of Brazil. Talk about Fernandez Kirchner of Argentina. Talk about former president Lula da Silva. Talk about former Korean president Park Geun-hye. Talk about Shinzo Abe of Japan. How much have you contributed to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? How much have you contributed? What have you done? And you feel that you can give Okula or Randy Igbo money to come and sit on Facebook, on social media, and be pointing finger on a glorious man. When Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi is still alive, when Obiano is still alive, when Dave Umahi, Hope Uzodimma, Okezie Ibazu, Ifeanyi Uba, Stella Odua, Uche Kudife, Obinna, Oju Uzokalu, Tiyoji, all of them are still alive. Chimano Kendamani, Ike Kweremado, Chukwu Kotazi, all of them are enjoying our billions of dollars. And you want me to talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You are very foolish. It's a Monday morning and I'm telling you that you are foolish. And I am unapologetic about that. I am never going to be sorry about that. I am a critical thinker. I am an analytical thinker. I am very smart and intelligent. I know when to deal and when to fight. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not holding my basic amenity. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is no reason why I am broadcasting with generator. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the reason why I don't have social welfare. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not the reason why I am poor. He is not the reason why our hospitals are bad. He is never the reason why our roads are bad. And the people who get your security vote, your IGR, your federal allocation, your international aids, they get the money, they share it among their families. They buy houses in diaspora. They save your money in banks in UK, in America, in Canada, in UAE, even in Qatar. These people are enjoying with women. And you want me to touch the anointed. What am I even going to say about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye ndu Biafra. O meriwo ndị ilo, hallelujah. Abakiari na mamamda ụra. Unu apụghị imeri Nnamdi. Nnamdi win the war. Python dance 1, Python dance 2, Python dance 3. Unu apụghị imeri Nnamdi. Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye ndu Biafra. O meriwo ndị ilo, hallelujah. Abakiari na mamamda ụra. Unu apụghị imeri Nnamdi. Abụ m Okwuluọra ndị Igbo. I am a son, I am a scholar, I am a student of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And it's never going to change. So, before you call me on phone tomorrow, you need to know my stand, my position. I am Okwuluọra. I am a special breed. I am one of the few who are ready to die for what they believe in. You need to be very careful with me. I have made my position clear. I took this stand long time ago. I made this choice of mine more than 10 years ago. We need to be reasonable. This is why it is difficult to redeem black people. You have to keep one hand to fight black people back. They have been so much soaked in Stockholm Syndrome. They do not reason. They do not think. A lot of us, yesterday, we did not plan today. And you are living in Germany, in France, in Canada, in Australia, people who think and create things for 20 years ahead. I don't know where we'll go from here. I do not know. I'm not taking phone calls. I'm going. I have to go to school. Wherever you're watching from. Thank you very much. And listen to a track called Oliver the Kokwe. Tribute to Oliver the Kokwe by Ozeme Nnamdi. May his soul also rest in peace. Ozeme Nnamdi de bakwa ayaka nsube. Ndị Igbo adịghị echekwa ife ha nwere echekwa. Igbo people never ever preserve what they have. I remember when Shehu Shagari pardoned Ojukwu, and Ojukwu wanted to return from Ivory Coast to Nigeria after spending, I think, 12 years or 13 years there in Ivory Coast. Somebody like Jimmy Ifeanyi Chukwunwobo, the governor of Anambra State, was opposing Ojukwu's return. You know, that is it. Ozeme Nnamdi na nwata shata makastina Ebenezer Obe ndị aka na akụrụ ndị befe egwu. But agbara ama na Oliver the Kokwe ga-anwụ. O nwere ife ndị Igbo nwe. O nwere ife fame. O nwere ife ndị ezi na ifiteme. Oliver wee na-akwado ka ọ na Lagos nwụọ. Oliver the Kokwe. A blessing to Igbo people, but Oliver's fate will never be the fate of leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because only ife men Nnamdi anyị tọrọ atọ. Only ife men Nnamdi. I don't know what will become of all of us. All of us, I need the ichekwa nke anyị. Nnamdi bụ nke anyị. It's the only thing we have. All these politicians are planning their next political move. All of them are planning for next political position. Whether we live or die, drink, eat. Whether all of us are being consumed by terrorists, by Fulani herdsmen, by Hezbollah, by Al-Qaeda. They don't care. All they want to do is to finish as governors and go to Senate and become ministers and run for president of a country that never worked. I am Okwuluọra. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am going to see you soon. Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye ndu Biafra. O meriwo ndị ilo, hallelujah. Abakiari na mamamda ụra. Unu apụghị imeri Nnamdi. Nnamdi win the war. Wherever you are watching from, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening.